Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Welcome to another hotel tour. This time we're staying at the Disney Sequoia Lodge. So I'm really excited. It has been a while since we last were here. And yeah, can't wait. Let's go. So let's go take a look in our room. This little TV, 2 queen size beds. Of course, all the rooms are Bambi themed. Some informations, glassware. We do have to look out on the service and amenities. This isn't the best look you can get in a room, but still it will have to do. And then there's a little sink, a safe, you can put your clothes away, and then in here we have the bathtub and shower, and there's a toilet hidden behind this door. Look at this. It isn't much more than this, so this is it. This is our room for the following night. One of the most fun things of staying at a Disney hotel that is that close to the parks is that it also is that close to Disney Village. So we can just have a little break and maybe have a little ice cream. Hotel New York opening again summer 2020, so we're gonna have to miss it for quite some time, but very excited to see it open. They told us it would really have a Tony Stark concept field, and all the art that will be on the walls that we can see, also like you see a bit of here against this wall and further as well, will be original art. So real drawings, real limited editions. So that makes it more fun than just like prints of some art. Here is some more of that art and what the rooms will look like. And then we'll have this, but then this will be like a real painting. Real exciting. Like the lobby, we've seen those things. This is so funny, because if it says to the parks, it means that you have to take a bus to go to the parks, because the village and the parks, that's the same way. Anyways, it's still a concept art. Summer 2020. We're almost there. Just 1.5 years to go. Ice cream time. An ice cream time with one nice view. There's our hotel. So we're back at our hotel here at Sequoia Lodge, and now we have a hotel tour, so hopefully we'll get in on the details and secrets of this hotel.
National parks that were created between 1904 and 1934. And so if you all know, well, you know, the rangers are something that are very important for national parks, and they are there to protect.
Okay, welcome to the struggles of life. I want to make a video for you guys and I want to explain everything, but I have this in my ears to hear what the guide is saying. So I'm gonna try to do my best to say what I hear, but oh boy. As you can guess from the name of this hotel, you also have some real American sequoias, which actually came from the States. It took them like a month to get them here. So walk around your hotel. That's the main thing that I'm always saying. If you're at a resort, at a Disney resort, take your time and explore. Just take a little walk. So from this point you really see how tall these sequoias are. And I mean, come on, those are not the largest in the world, so but it's nice that they at least got some here. So I'm sure I mentioned that in one of my Sequoia videos, but if you take a little trip around the resort, you get to see this dam and some beavers who can stay very quietly seated. So if you ever come here, Sequoia Lodge has like a bit over 1,000 rooms, and you can be one of the lucky ones, just like we are, to stay in the main building, but you also have 5 lodges, which are like the ones behind me, like around the main resort. It's a bit further away from all the amenities, although the pool right behind me is also outside, but all the other the restaurants and stuff are all inside. But I mean, look at how peaceful it is. I would stay anywhere in this resort. This is still my favorite resort though. But we'll take the tour and you'll have to decide for yourself. So if you come in to your hotel, you have the parking lot. That's right there. And then there's another imported tree. So this one didn't grow here. They had to bring it here. That's big. And then you just walk in, and where you see the blue lights, that's where you go through security. There's a few rooms up there, and then you have the main building. And I think our room is just behind this thing. Like, unfortunately, we have a maintenance view, as you could see. And welcome. Oh, that's a bit of noise. Welcome in the main lobby, where you have some views of the national parks up there. Your arrival will be here, unless you stay at the Golden Forest. That's the club lounge, which the video where we were here, I will link that down below. You get to check in here. So this is the complete resort. We walked from here, did a little tour, came back in here, and now we're just right here. Our room is there, remember? The lake and the park is behind that. Remember the mural? Well, they just told us those are the 4 seasons, which, as you can see, goes into winter, and then you have spring with all monuments from the national parks. But there you have Mount Rushmore.
If you look at it, there's actually a 5th hat.
Right there.
Can you see who it is?
And Mickey's on there as a 5th hat. You see, I can work with this thing and listen to what they say and show you. Look, Mickey! It works! And the best thing that you have here, and it comes for free, is the most beautiful sunset in the world. The Redwood Bar, which has been the backdrop of a few of my videos, with the nice fireplace, and I have this feeling we'll end the night here as well. Come on, let's go take a quick peek at the bar and fireplace. Look at this fireplace.
Now the chimney is something else.
Best spot in the house. And if you come in after a day from the parks and you're hungry, you can go right there into the buffet Hunter's Grill, and you're greeted by 2 bears. There's one, it's hard to see right there. There's one here. Symbol of California, of course. This one looks grumpy. Maybe he's hungry. Should get some food. So guys, this concludes our tour of Sequoia Lodge. We're not leaving, we're staying for the night, of course, and we'll have breakfast tomorrow morning. After that, I'll give you the good, the bad, and the ugly of this resort. Although mostly is good. Some bits could be improved. If you want to know what, just wait a bit.
Day 2.
Good morning. We are ready for breakfast, which for us this morning is served in the Golden Forest Lounge. We have been seated in the lounge section of the Golden Forest Club. So this is also the place where you come in the afternoon or in the evening if you just want to have a drink or chill a bit. Very nice and peaceful. And we're gonna take a quick peek at the buffet. Orange juice, coffee, of course. And then, same team. This is the whole buffet. So you can begin your day with some cereal. You have some more coffee and juice right over there. Some water, Nutella bread. You can boil your eggs here. Baked beans, scrambled eggs, sausages, some, if you want, olives and stuff, bacon, pastries. You can toast some bread right here. Some more bread and then some yogurt, fruit salad, and then some meat and cheese. Looks good. Looks good. And after breakfast, you can just come out and meet one of your favorite characters like Goofy. Good morning, Goofy. How are you doing today? Very well. Sun is shining, and so are you. It is. It's a beautiful day. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Gonna need those sunglasses later on. Yeah. They would fit you, I'm sure. Yeah, well, a bit. Still.
Thank you, Goofy. Yes, be handsome. Oh, you're so handsome, Goofy. Okay, one last. Perfect.
Awesome, thank you. Have a great day, Goofy. See you really soon. Bye. So, our stay here is over, unfortunately, and I promised you to give you my advice on staying here at Sequoia Lodge, and even at a Disney resort, because you have those big pluses, like the good things. You're close to the parks. You're still in this Disney universe. The surroundings are beautiful. At the morning, you get to meet your favorite Disney character. I mean, I love Goofy, so I was very happy that he was here this morning. So those are all pluses. The room isn't too bad. There are a few things that are on the downside. Know that this is one of the hotels that hasn't been fully refurbished yet, just like New York hadn't, but is on its way now. The Disneyland Hotel isn't refurbished, but Newport Bay is, and the big difference between those rooms is plugs. Oh my god, there's no plugs in here. You have one plug just under the TV, and then there's one in the little hallway. So if you're gonna go in, and we're just two, but both have our phones, have our watches, camera, just think about that and maybe take something with you, so you will be able to get enough plugs during your stay. Also with the rooms, you always have to be a bit lucky that you have a nice view, but it doesn't hurt to ask. You're in Disneyland Paris. Everything is possible in Disney. That's what I always say. So if you're here, just ask if you have a room with a nice view, a forest view, a lake view. We weren't that lucky this time, so we had a back view. It could have been better. The rooms were very hot, but this is the climate where normally you wouldn't need an air conditioning that much. there was like some kind of air conditioning thing. I'm not really sure. It only went down to 18.5 degrees and it still was way too hot in the room. But it's nice to be in a Disney hotel. The breakfast was really nice. The breakfast that you saw was in the Golden Forest Lounge. Now, we weren't in a Golden Forest room. If you want to see a room like that or a suite, be sure to check the video at the end of this one, so you'll be able to see what a Golden Forest room looks like. So, we had a great time here, but this weekend isn't over yet. So still more videos to come. And now, we're off to the next. See you next time, guys. Bye.